What does the best version of you look like? Let's visualize it and bring it to life. Welcome to day 38 of the Transform 365 challenge. Over the past week, we have been working on identifying, reframing, and replacing our limiting beliefs. Today, we are using a powerful technique to solidify those new beliefs: visualization. Visualization is about imagining yourself as the person you want to become: confident, successful, and free of limiting beliefs. By creating a vivid mental picture of your empowered self, you're not just dreaming, you're training your brain to believe that version of you. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground or lie down if that feels better for you. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax and settle into the present. Now, imagine yourself living without those limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, what does my empowered self look like? How do I carry myself? What's my posture, my expression? What am I doing that reflects my confidence and my success? If you have reframed "I'm not good enough" into "I'm learning and improving every day," visualize yourself confidently tackling challenges at work or pursuing a passion project with enthusiasm. If you have replaced "I don't have time" with "I can prioritize what matters most," imagine yourself calmly managing your schedule and making time for what truly matters. Focus on the small details: how it feels, what do you see, hear, or even smell in this empowered version of your life. Visualizing is not just about seeing, it's about feeling. Ask yourself, how does it feel to live as this version of me? Do I feel confident, capable, joyful? What do I feel? Feel the pride of accomplishing something you once thought was impossible. Feel the calmness of knowing that you are in control of your time and energy. The more vividly you can feel these emotions, the more powerful this practice becomes. To make this vision even stronger, anchor it with an affirmation that reflects your empowered self. For example, say out loud in your mind, "I am confident and capable of achieving my goals." Or repeat, "I have everything I need to succeed." Pairing visualization with affirmation reinforces your new beliefs and helps you stick with them. Visualization is like mental rehearsal. It helps you strengthen your new empowering beliefs by creating a vivid mental image of success. It boosts motivation by connecting emotionally with your goals. And it trains your brain to act as if this version of you is already real. This practice aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the person that you want to become. Take 5 minutes today to visualize your empowered self. Picture yourself confident, successful, and capable of achieving your goals. What does this version of yourself look like? How does it feel? Share one insight or part of your vision in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to hear how this practice is inspiring you.